Are you stuck at the cool demo phase with AI? It's time to launch for real. Join us on the ultimate roadmap to mastering the entire AI Foundry lifecycle. This isn't just about building models. It's the complete guide to deploying, monitoring, securing, and sustaining them in the real world. Stop just experimenting. Learn how to unlock the treasure chest of trusted business value. Watch the full video now and transform your AI skills into production-ready expertise. Let's get started. Moving from a cool demo to a real business solution means operationalizing your AI. It's a journey that starts with deployment, creating an endpoint that acts as a service window for your applications. Whether you choose serverless APIs for flagship models or managed compute for custom ones, the goal is reliable accessibility. But don't launch blindly. You need a robust debugging workflow first. Instead of testing one prompt at a time, run your flow against large datasets using batch runs. Then use evaluation methods to strictly score the results against your acceptance criteria. If you find inconsistencies or library mismatches, smooth them out using environment tools before triggering that final, safe, managed online deployment. Once an AI model is successfully deployed, it isn't truly finished until it is consumed by an application, turning that raw potential into functional usability for an end user. As illustrated on the left, for a developer to use an AI Foundry endpoint, they must establish a secure connection. Using a client object, typically in Python, they provide essential credentials, specifically the subscription ID, resource group, and workspace name. This creates a secure handshake, allowing the external application to access and utilize the AI model's capabilities reliably. On the right, we see a powerful way to leverage this, integrating with Microsoft Copilot. This process transforms a standard chatbot into a sophisticated, intelligent agent. It involves a clear three-step path within Copilot Studio. First, you add action. Next, you create a Power Automate flow that takes user input and routes it via an HTTP request to your AI endpoint. Finally, you review and map the inputs and outputs, ensuring the Copilot knows exactly how to deliver the AI's smart response back to the user. Once your AI model is operational, the job isn't over. It requires 24/7 oversight. As our guide Nana illustrates in the first panel, active endpoints are like running engines. As long as they are on, they are incurring ongoing financial costs. To manage this, we move to the second panel, tracking health. Using tools within the Azure portal, administrators must monitor key metrics. You need to watch the request count to see how often the AI is used. Crucially, you must track token counts, both prompt inputs and completion outputs, because in the world of AI, tokens equal cost. You also need to monitor latency to ensure the response speed provides a good user experience. Finally, effective management means knowing when to shut things down. If a project is complete or a model is superseded by a newer version, use cost management deep links to delete the deployment. This ensures your organization is no longer charged for idle resources. Welcome to this overview on security, governance, and trustworthiness in AI. The foundation of trustworthy AI lies in ensuring ethical operation through responsible AI standards. There are 6 core principles we must adhere to. First is fairness, treating all demographics equally. Next is reliability and safety, ensuring the system operates within designed values to avoid harm. We must also prioritize privacy and security to protect personal information. Furthermore, AI requires inclusiveness to be beneficial for all backgrounds. We need transparency to understand how the system actually works. And finally, accountability, ensuring that humans remain responsible for the AI's outcomes. These principles are put into practice using guardrails like Azure AI Content Safety. This system uses customizable content filters. Specifically, it employs prompt shields to block harmful jailbreak attempts and groundedness detection to validate trusted sources, thereby reducing AI hallucinations. Even the most robust AI systems can face significant challenges. On the left side of our whiteboard, we see 2 common culprits. First are endpoint failures, represented by the broken connection and clock, where requests simply time out. Below that are data access issues, like missing indices, which is like trying to find a specific document in an empty filing cabinet. However, we can overcome these with the resilient strategy shown on the right to ensure business continuity. First, we have automated redeployment. Think of this as a magic wand that uses scripts to instantly recreate your environment if it breaks. Next is cross-region deployment. By hosting your service in multiple global locations, if one region fails, another is ready to take over, keeping your service available. Finally, there's monitoring and alerting. This is your 24/7 watchdog, providing real-time notifications on your screen the moment an endpoint fails or latency spikes, so you can respond immediately. Course summary. Let's navigate the complete AI lifecycle journey. It starts by deploying and debugging, transforming your demo into a live managed endpoint. Next, we consume and integrate that power into real-world apps and agents like Copilot. Once operational, we must 24/7 monitor and manage metrics and costs. Crucially, we secure and govern the entire process using responsible AI guardrails and content filters. Finally, we ensure the system is sustainable and resilient against any failures. Following this roadmap is how we arrive at our destination, trusted business value.